Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Once again, I welcome you all in my audio-visual class. In the previous lesson, without wasting much time, I will quickly recapitulate what we have discussed in the previous lesson. Our topic was in that lesson, Introduction to Nouns. I will quickly recapitulate what actually noun means. I told you in the previous lesson that noun is a name of a person, place or thing or idea. In simple words, we can say all the naming words are called nouns, or we can say anything that we see, we feel or we observe is called a nouns. Like I have a pen in my hand, so it is a name of a thing, it is a noun. And this is a whiteboard, is the name of a thing, it's a noun. I'm a teacher, I'm a person, so teacher refers to a person, that means it is a noun. Today I am going to discuss kinds of nouns. As I have already told you, there are 5 kinds of nouns, or we can say 5 types of nouns, that is common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun and material noun. Once again I will repeat, it is common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun or material noun. Today I am going to discuss with you about common noun and proper noun. Before we understand what common noun means and what proper noun means, I will quickly tell you about common noun. Common noun means name of anything in general. When we call in general, so it means which is not specific or which is not particular. And proper noun means name of specific particular person, place or thing. Any noun that is specific, that is particular is known as proper noun. I have a chart here. For example, there I have written river in the column of common noun and Brahmaputra. Now I will write a sentence to make you more understand it accurately. If I will say I visited a river, yeah, I go by riverside. Here I will write a sample sentence. I visited a river. You do not know which river I have visited. That means it may be any river. So when rivers are, there are so many rivers and you do not know which river I have visited, it is a common noun. If I will say I visited river Ganga, here you know which river I have visited. It's the name of a specific river. It's the name of a specific river. That means river Ganga is a proper noun, whereas river is a common noun. Again, I have written state Jammu and Kashmir. If I will say you that my state is beautiful state, you do not know which state is beautiful state. If I will say you that Jammu and Kashmir is my state and it is beautiful, now you come to know about which state I am talking, that is Jammu and Kashmir. It becomes a specific noun. Moving forward, if I will say you there is a boy who has a pet dog, you do not know, I will write it, the boy, I will say that boy has a pet dog. There are 2 nouns, boy and dog. You do not know which boy has a pet dog because I have not mentioned the name of that boy. So it may be any boy. This boy is a common noun. And dog, you do not know which kind of dog or which breed of dog he has kept as a pet. So this both boy and dog are common nouns. If I will say that boy is my brother, that boy is my brother, and his name is Umar. When I told you his name, it became a specific noun, Umar. He is a boy, but it became a specific noun. You now know the name of that boy. Moving forward, if I will say the last day of January is Monday. Here, day, January and Monday, all are nouns. You know which month I am talking about, and what is it is last day. Its last day is Monday. Both January and Monday are proper nouns. Both January and Monday are. To make you more understand it accurately, I will write another sentence. For example, I will write March is the third month of the year. Third month of the year. And again I will write April is the fourth month of the year. Month, March, April. Here both are months. March as well as April are months. In both the sentences I have used month. That means when we can use month in both the sentences, it indicates that month is a common noun. When for this third month I used March. I can't use April in this place. That April is the third month of the year. I can't use. When I can't use, it is because the name of the third month is specific. That is March and April. These April and March are proper nouns, while as month are common nouns. Moving further, I have written a chart here. You can watch it. Like common noun, river. Proper noun, Brahmaputra, name of a specific river. Again, state. You don't know which state. Jammu and Kashmir. It is a proper noun. Boy, it may be any boy. If I say in the class, you boy, get up, boys get up, any boy can, all the boys will get up and come to me. When I will ask somebody's name, for example, Ubaid, get up, a specific boy will get up. That means Ubaid is a particular name, or any name that a boy owns is a particular name, whereas if I will say boy, it is common name. Same is the case with month or March. Month, it may be any month. There are 12 months, it may be any month. When I say March, it is the only month which is the third month of the year. Like day and Monday. Day, it may be any day. When I say Monday, it is the only day. It is the first day of the week. This is all for today. I hope you all have understood it. I'm going to upload with it the text related exercises that is on the page number of 17 of your textbook. What you have to do, you have to complete this chart and send it to me on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you. This is all for today.